What's up, everybody? I normally don't do stuff like this anymore, but this truck is sitting on the lot at one of my car lot accounts, and it's for sale. So obviously it's been here for a couple weeks. I've been walking past it, but obviously they're not going to change out the steering wheel, and the car's kind of ratty. So I'm gonna cut them a real good deal and try to fix this real quick. All right, I am going to fill these bigger chunks in with a piece of towel and some liquid, some runny super liquid super glue. I'll probably attach this as well so it doesn't rock and roll with the runny super glue, and then I'll do a vinyl repair over the top, and hopefully it sticks to that foam. I don't know if it will or not. If it doesn't, I'll just do all super glue. Time to roast it. It's barbecue. Man, this camera, it's tripping today. Anyways, I'm gonna do that a bunch of times. See how it ends up. Yeah, it peeled right out. So, gonna use the micro balloons, fill this whole thing up, super glue it, sand it, spray it, and it'll be better than it is right now, and that'll be good enough. Did you see somebody destroy an interior at the same time that they're detailing it? You have now. I'm gonna leave my little chunk of green glove in there just for kicks. I think this is like 80 grit, you guys. Yep, hitting it with the 80 grit. This ain't the Arts and Crafts channel. This is a solve problems to make money channel. I'm not trying to win a contest. Yes, I've done this before. Sometimes it just, people would rather just have you patch it up and have it done than go find a used one or whatever they gotta do. Honestly, who wouldn't rather have this though? truck drives pretty nice, actually. I drove it over here. I thought, huh. It even worked on me. You know, I see the steering wheel and I think, oh, pile of crap. In reality, it's a Ford Quad Cab, 2008. That drives nice. It's got a bunch of miles though. Oh, I got a little bit high spot with my white rag there. My Terry towel patch. That's not a good view for you, is it? Man, this is crappy lighting. Let's do this. All right. This here will be a thick tinted Super Glue. This is, well, not very much. It's supposed to be black, but it's more like just a gray tint. But it's pretty thick. Colder temperatures, especially. I don't know how far I'm gonna take this, you guys. I've got things to do. And again, I'm just trying to be nice. Plus, I want to make a video of it, kind of. Man, you guys see my hot new gloves? They make it feel good. Green is the new black, yo. Oh, it's starting to get smoother. It's gonna be weird, but it's gonna be better. I bet in the beginning of this you thought, he is not gonna smooth that out in a Chinese fashion. I bet you did. Go ahead. Doubters. Like I said, I'll start projects that I don't know if I can complete or make money on, if I have time or there's a good reason. Like if I think maybe I can learn how to do something, well, then I'll do it, because then I'll get faster at it, and pretty soon I'll be making good money. Like, you know what I mean? Do a little R&D, waste some time, make it pay off later. Hitting that on my accelerator, this glue's been giving me trouble in this black stuff and not been drying very quickly. But today, it seems to be working out just fine. Reckless abandon interior channel. What else, guys? Do I need to do more? Or I just spray it, right? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use that on my other thick super glue because it self-etches like, I don't even know how it does it, but it does self-etch pretty well. This stuff looks pretty good, but I might go ahead and use the self-etching super glue that I normally use in my videos. All right. Super glue sculpture with Jake. I'm just shredding the sandpaper because I pressed it so hard. I really do want to get this handled and done. Alright. I put a layer of my normal thick super glue on there and just rubbed it all over. And now I'm going to hit that with my 400. I don't even know why I'm telling you this. Maybe you got a steering wheel that you've been gripping. You've been stressed? Have you been driving to work stressed? Do you need to relax? Or do you just want to fix your steering wheel with super glue so you can grip it some more? Well, I got it. I got the tips. I got the technique. You can be stressed if you want. Just roll it out. Listening to classical music. Grinding on that steering wheel, like, dang. Yeah, my van has so many miles, but it's been such a good van, I just keep driving it because it doesn't cost anything. But anyway, my steering wheel don't look like this. It's got twice the miles. That's not fair. This is a crappy steering wheel to begin with. Oh yeah! Oh, it just glides around. It just glides. Yeah, it's a little skinny right there, buddy. It's a little bit skinny. Okay? Nobody said this is Jake's Steering Wheel Rebuild Center. But I'll help you sell that car. Alright, I'm going to spray it and we'll show you guys what we get. Whoop whoop! Alright, here you go. It's, you know, this steering wheel's, it's had it, it's toast. But it's, I mean, you can, somebody could sell it. I'm not gonna spend all day, you know, I'm gonna get my, I'll clean it up a little bit, but the bottom line is you can run your hand smoothly from one side to the other. There's no big holes in it. You know, I could have sanded this down smoother and just kept going. You just keep going. Add more layers, sand it, more layers, sand it, more layers, sand it, if that's what you wanted to do. But this is all I need to do for my customer. They can deal with this. And we'll fix the rip in the seat, clean the stains up, add a heel pad over the carpet hole, bang bang. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Maybe someday I'll do one really, really well. But in any case, I'd just like to share ideas. Maybe you haven't thought of that. Maybe somebody watching this video hasn't thought of that. And you know, if somebody's willing to pay you, it's another way to make money. The more stuff you know how to do, the faster you know how to do it, the better you're gonna do. All right, guys. Have a good day. Hit the thumbs up.